Hey, what's going on guys? In my previous video I have shown you guys how to design the unordered list, like how to style the unordered list. Here we are going to look at that one furthermore. I want to make that in this one also in that video, but I forgot to do that. Now I'm making another video to do that. Okay, this is my unordered list. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put a line, border line. Let's go to style and type ul unordered list, and then inside of the curly bracket I put border, and then 1px solid red. Okay, now when I run this one, you can see a solid red line right here. The next thing is we are gonna remove this bullet points. To do that, go down and then type, or you can continuously type, it doesn't matter. I type list dash style dash type, and then colon none. Okay, semicolon, and close the curly bracket. Close the curly bracket right here, and then refresh this one. The red line also gone. Okay, maybe it's a bad idea to close. Okay, wait a minute, something wrong right here. ul border 1px solid. Okay, red, I typed something else. Okay, now it's appearing. Bullet point also removed. Now here you can see, after I remove the bullet point, I have a little bit space right here. If I want to get rid of the space and bring these three to the front side, what I have to do is I have to create a padding. Like, just type padding, and then colon 0 semicolon, and close the curly bracket. You can see it's moved right here. The curly bracket closing, even if I close or don't close, it works, but practicing to close is better if you are, if you want to write in an exam or something like that. That's all about styling the unordered list, and that's it. See you guys later. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you on my next video.